Amid escalating tensions in the Iran war, the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil shipping routes, has come under fresh threat after reports that Iran has deployed naval sea mines in the area. The development has raised serious concerns for global energy supplies and maritime safety. The Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf to the open ocean and handles around 20% of global oil shipments, making it one of the most strategic choke points in the world. Any disruption to traffic through the narrow waterway can affect oil prices and global energy markets. According to reports, Iran has allegedly laid a number of naval mines in the strait, a move seen as part of its strategy to pressure Western nations and disrupt shipping after the outbreak of conflict with the United States and Israel. Naval mines are explosive devices placed in water that can detonate when ships pass over them or come into contact with them. What are these naval sea mines? These mines are considered a powerful but relatively simple weapon. They can be deployed from ships, small boats, or submarines and are designed either to float in the water or rest on the seabed. When triggered by contact, magnetic signals, or pressure changes caused by passing vessels, they can severely damage or sink ships. Impact of Iran's naval sea mines. The threat has already rattled the global shipping industry. Insurance companies have increased war risk premiums for vessels operating in the Strait of Hormuz due to rising security concerns. Higher insurance costs could further discourage shipping companies from sending tankers through the region. Experts warn that if the situation worsens and shipping through the strait is disrupted, it could significantly affect global oil supplies and push energy prices higher worldwide. The situation continues to be closely monitored by governments, shipping companies, and energy markets around the world.